Hello students, welcome all to the live session of area of circles and with PYQs, and today we'll cover 5 PYQs, and based upon if anyone wants any specific question, if they mention comments, I will start with those topics in another video as well. Okay, in this video I have planned for 5 important PYQ questions. Okay, so let's see if everything. Okay, let's check if everything is fine with respect to video, sound and all. Okay, I just checked, it is fine, so let's start the video. So today's agenda, as I mentioned, it's for the area of circles with PYQs. Okay, so before going to area of circles, we have two important things we need to understand. First one is what is a sector, and second, what is a segment. Okay, if you understand these two, what is a sector and what is segment, and based upon the formulas which you have to use, we can understand and you can solve any type of shaded type of questions. Okay, because you can see in the starting page I have mentioned 3 different types of diagrams, so there can be any type of these questions. They will give the shaded part and will ask you to find this shaded region, or they can ask you the another diagram where they will keep the shaded part in some other type of diagram. They will ask you how to find it. So based upon it, how to find, we'll discuss today. Okay, first of all, what is a sector? So sector, I will tell you to easily remember. Just consider example as pizza as a circle, then slice of it is a sector. I think everyone knows what is pizza, so I'm just comparing this example to be easily understand. So what is a sector? If I ask, if I consider the whole circle as a pizza, then the portion of it, or we will call it as a slice, so one slice of it is called a sector. So this is a sector, whereas this is entire circle. Okay, so if you notice, this point is nothing but the center of a circle O, and let's suppose these are the 2 points of a circle, I mean sector AB, which are on the circle. So we have to remember 2 things here. First one is area of sector. So I'll also tell you how to remember easily, because consider this as the angle theta. Okay, if theta is the angle subtended over the sector, then the area formula is theta by 360 into area of circle. So what is area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. So the formula of area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, we have one more. Now we understood what is a we have understood how to define the area of sector. Same way, when you also need to calculate how to find the length of sector or length of arc, if they ask you how to find it. Okay, so we'll see now. Length of arc of sector, the second perimeter of sector. Okay, what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the border length. I mean the total boundary length is called perimeter. So let's write it out, how to find perimeter of sector. Okay, so first, what is length of arc of sector? So as we discussed here, I'll write another pizza here, and this is a slice of it. So this is the sector I'm talking about. So length of arc of sector means this one. I'll change the color. Length of arc means I'm asking to find this length. The pink color is the arc length here. So how to find the arc of sector? Length of arc of sector is again simple. Again same formula, theta by 360. Whereas in previous one it is area, but here it is length. Length means you have to consider about the perimeter of sector circle. What is perimeter of circle? It is 2 pi r. So it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, what is perimeter of sector? Perimeter of sector, perimeter of any diagram, it can be triangle, square, rectangle, whatever it is. Perimeter is always nothing but the length of total boundary. Okay, so here if you notice the sector we have, okay, I'll draw it again. So this is sector. So what is the total boundaries of a sector? I'll make another color. Let's make it as orange. If you consider the perimeter of sector, so this is one boundary. We also have the other boundaries. This is the other boundary and this is the other boundary. So this is the entire sector. Okay, this part is the entire sector. So what are the boundaries of a sector? We have two lines like this, and then we have a, draw it once again. Okay, so if you notice, we have two radius lines. These are nothing but the radius of a circle, and this is the arc of sector. Okay, so we have this is radius. Okay, now we have the perimeter of sector as two radius. You can see this is one radius, this is one radius. Now this is nothing but length of arc. So 2r plus theta by 360 into 2 pi. Hope you understood both the formulas. What is length of arc of sector? Length of arc of sector is theta by 360 into 2 pi, where this is the arc of the sector, whereas perimeter of sector is this arc plus these two radius, because perimeter for any diagram, as I told you, it is the length of total boundary of any object or any diagram. Okay, here the diagram is sector diagram, so we need to consider the entire boundary, which you have 2 r's here, that is 2r plus the length of arc, which is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, now let's move to the other one, which is segment. So let's understand what is a segment. So similar to, okay, let's draw a circle again, and let's draw, okay, so this is, what is this line? If I ask you, this line is nothing but chord. Okay, so segment is nothing but the areas created between a chord and circle. So segment is area between chord and circle. Okay, so how to find this area of sector, I mean segment? If I draw these two lines, these are nothing but the radius. Okay, now it's simple. Area of chord is equal to, I mean area of segment is equal to, if you notice, this is nothing but, okay, I will change the color again. If I draw the orange line, the orange is nothing but sector. So area of segment is equal to area of sector minus, let's take another color, minus, if I subtract this triangle part, the pink one is a triangle, okay, minus area of triangle. So simple. If I find the area of total sector, and if I subtract this triangle, I mean this triangle part, then I can get to the area of segment part. So hence the area of segment formula is area of sector minus area of encrypted triangle, I mean which of the triangle is present here. Okay, so most of the questions in our as per 10th class standard, the triangles is mostly equilateral triangle. Most of the cases which I saw, most of the cases it is equilateral triangle. So what is the formula of equilateral triangle? The area of triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. So most of the cases it will be area of triangle will be root 3 by 4 a square, and they will clearly mention a is nothing but, what is a here? A is nothing but the radius of a circle. Okay, so we'll see 2 to 3 questions, then you will understand how to find the area of segment and what about the area of sector and length of arc of sector. So if you notice, we have this is a sector. What about the other part? If I draw the pink part here, what about this area? So this is also a sector, okay, but the angle is bigger angle. So hence we have two types of sectors, minor sector and major sector. Okay, they can ask you in the question, find the area of, okay, this I will write it here, this is for minor sector or the simpler sector. If they ask you, find for the reflex arc, that is for major sector. Major sector is nothing but the other sector, other part of the circle. So it will be 2 pi, that is total is 2 pi, that is 360, 2 pi minus theta, then you will get this angle by, again same formula, which is theta by 360 into area of circle, which is pi r square, which is nothing but major sector means the outer part. Okay, if they are not asking you this part, I want the area of other part is we consider it as a major sector. Same way, this is small segment. What about the other remaining part? That is nothing but the major segment. Okay, got it? What is major segment and minor segment? Okay, let's move to the next part. Let's solve few PYQs, then it will be better to understand in detail. Okay, let's see. This is the first PYQ. This is occurring from 2022 paper. Okay, you can see what is the question now. Given below is a picture of the Olympic rings made by taking 5 congruent circles. Congruent means same circles. Okay, same radius is the congruent circles of radius 1 centimeter each, intersecting in such a way that the chord formed by joining the point of intersection of 2 circles is also 1 centimeter. Okay, so this AB is the chord. Okay, this chord length is also 1 centimeter, it seems. Okay, the total area of the dotted regions, assuming that the thickness of the rings to be negligible. Okay, we are considering the thickness as negligible, so simply it is a circle. Okay, they are asking to get the total area of dotted region, means this shaded part area they are asking. Okay, let me draw a little bigger circles and it is easy to understand. I'm just drawing 2 circles now. Okay, same way we have other circles here like this and so on. Okay, we have one more like this, and the last is this one. So finally they are asking this area plus this area plus this area plus this area plus this area. 1, 2, 3, and total are 4 shaded parts. Okay, so what they have mentioned in the question, we have one common chord. Okay, interesting such that the chord formed by joining the point of intersection of the 2 circles is of length 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter. So let's consider this first circle. Okay, so this is O, and if I join these 2 points, okay, so this is also radius, so 1 and 1. So as I told you, most of the questions of the segment questions, what they mentioned, they will clearly give it is an equilateral triangle. Why it is an equilateral triangle? Because this is radius, which are ones, and this side is already given that the chord is also 1 centimeter. If 3 sides are equal, then it is nothing but the equilateral triangle. So simply now if I find this segment area, I will shade it another color. If I able to find the area of this part, then if I directly multiply into 8 times, because 1 into 1, 2, this will be again 2, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I get this part, then I can simply multiply into 8 to get the area of total shaded part. Okay, so how to find this shaded part, pink part? I will draw the circle again. You have a circle point like this. This is also a radius, and this pink part area I'm able to find it now. I'm finding this area, because if I find this area, I can simply multiply into 2 again. So total I need to multiply into 8, I'll get the total area. So how to find this is nothing but minor segment. Okay, so area of minor segment we already discussed. What is area of segment? Area of segment is equal to sector area minus triangle area. Excuse me. Sector area minus triangle area. What is sector area? Sector, it is equilateral triangle. So what would be the angle? It will be 60 degrees. So simple. Area of sector area is theta is nothing but 60 here. So 60 by 360 into pi. R is radius is 1, so 1 square minus area of triangle, it is equilateral triangle, so simply I'll use the equilateral triangle formula, which is root 3 by 4 a square, and again here the side length is 1, so simply it will be this one. So it will be 1 by 6 into pi minus root 3 by 4. What is this one? This is the area of the pink part. But how many I have here? The pink parts, if I consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total is, so total shaded area is equal to, it will be 8 times of pi by 6 minus root 3 by 4. This will be the final answer. So as per the MCQ, it should be 8 into this one. So simply this. Hope you understood the concept and how to find the area of the shaded part. The question is easy, just we need to understand and just break it into single circle, single triangle, and just multiply into how many times we want. Okay, in this way first question is done. Let's move to the second one. This also belongs to 2019 question. Okay, so we have only one circle. Okay, I'll draw it bigger circle now. Got it. We have a center here. Fine. We have three sectors. Okay, radius is 7, so radius will be constant. It will no need to change. Here also same. We have another sector and we have another sector. So total 3 sectors we have. Okay, making one is 60, 80 and other is 40. Okay, this is 60, this is big one, so 80 and this is 40. So 3 sectors, 3 angles are mentioned. Find the area of shaded region. So it's a direct answer. Simply you have to just add all 3 sectors. Shaded region area means you have to just add all 3 sectors. So sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. So just add for all 3. So it will be 60 by 360 into pi. Did they mention to use anything? Okay, I think in the question if they didn't say to mention anything, you have to use it at 22 by 7. Okay, let's use 22 by 7 into r square. R square is 7 square plus other sector 80 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 square plus the other one is 40 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 square. I will take 22 by 7 into 7 square as common and 360. Okay, I'll write it next slide. So it is 60 plus 80 is 140, 140 plus 40 is 180. So the final I can see it is 180 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 square. This and this get cancelled out. 18 2s are 36, 2 1s are 11. So the final answer is 77. If they mention centimeter, that is centimeter square. Yes, centimeter, not this one. So centimeter. Okay, it is centimeter square. So area of shaded part is 77 centimeter square. It's an easy question. Just we need to just add areas of these 3 sectors. I think it will be for 2 marks, I guess, if it is a direct question. Maybe for 3 marks, but it will not cross more than 3 marks. Okay, let's move to the next one because it's an easy one. Okay, this is interesting. In the following figure, O is the center of circle with AC is 24, AB is 7, BOD is 90. Find the area of shaded region. Okay, so I think the circle is okay. Everyone can see it, or else do one thing. I will create another circle. This is O, AB. This is diameter. This is another line. Okay, so I'll do shaded another color. I'll use pink color. This is the shaded part. So here, and we have some more here. Okay, you need to find the shaded part here. This is A. Okay, I'll use blue again. A, B, O, C, and D. So as mentioned, if you have any doubts or any queries while doing in the live session itself, you can mention in the chat. Okay, I'll just mention the same. For any doubts during live session, please do mention here so that it can get clarified at same time. Okay, so I will keep on checking the chart once in a while. So if any question or any doubt is you have, you can directly ping in the live chat section so that I can check and respond to it. Okay, so let's continue. So we have ABC defined. AC is 24, AC is this one is 24. Okay, AB is 7, AB this one is 7. Fine. BOD is 90. Okay, this is 90. Very good. Next, find the area of shaded part. Okay, this shaded part if you notice here, ABC is nothing but the diameter of a circle because it is passing through center. So if I subtract the semicircle area minus this triangle part, I will get the shaded part. And this is nothing but, here you will mention the angle is 90, so it is nothing but the area of sector which is having a theta value as 90 degrees. Okay, so let's use this concept. So simple, area of shaded part is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle plus area of sector. And I also mentioned the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so what is area of semicircle? The formula is very easy. So whichever the circle area is there, you have to just divide it by 2. Area of circle is pi r square, so it will be pi r square by 2. So I will just substitute pi as 22 by 7. So it will be 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is how much? Center AC is mentioned, AB is mentioned. Okay, radius I haven't mentioned, fine. So let's find out BC first, because this angle will always be 90 degrees. Okay, like if I have a circle and if I have one point, and from center if I want to connect to another point, then this angle, from where it is connecting, that will be 90 degrees. Okay, so if I have this is 90, so this becomes BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, so which is 24 square plus 7 square. So BC square is equal to 24 square is 576 plus 49, it will be 625. So BC is equal to 25 centimeters. BC is nothing but diameter, so radius will be 25 by 2. So I'll write it here, 25 by 2 into 25 by 2, and this we need to divide it by 2, because I need to get the area of semicircle, not for circle. Okay, so this is area of semicircle minus area of triangle. If, as I mentioned, it is a right angle triangle, so it simply I can say half into base into height, which is 24 into 7, plus area of sector, and here the theta is 90 degrees, so it will be theta by 360, 90 by 360 into pi r square. Pi is again 22 by 7, and r we got it as 25 by 2. So if you solve entire one, you'll get the final answer. So let's solve here 2 11s. Here nothing to cancel. 2 1s, 2 12s, 9 1s, 9 4s, 2 2s, 2 11s. Okay, so done. So let's solve this. It will be 25 into 25, 625 into 11 by 7 into 2 into 2. Minus 17 into 12 is 84. Sorry, 12 into 7 is 84, plus 625 into 11 by 7 into 8. 625 into 11 by 7 into 8. So let's find it. You have to substitute, you have to use division and then get the value. Okay, so in this question they haven't mentioned, it is not able to divide properly, so I think using 3.14, which will be much better. It's fine. Anyway, we have continued till here, so let's continue with the steps. So it will be 625 into 11 is easy. 625 again 625, it will be 5 7 8 6 6 8 7 5 by 7 into 2 into 2 is 7 2 is a 14, 14 2 is a 28, minus 84 plus 620 620 we already do it, it's in 6 8 7 5 by 7 8 is 56. Okay, I'll just write 28 into 2, because I can easily, let's use these two first and then subtract 84. Now it becomes 6875 by 28. If I take it as common, then it will be 1 plus 1 by 2, so simply it will be 3 by 2 minus 84. Okay, So no divisions are happening. Let's divide by 1 by 1. Let's divide by 2 first. It will be 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14.5. Again if I divide by 2 it becomes 14, and here it will be 2 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 6 17, 2 8s are 16, and then 14. Okay, so let's take it randomly now. Okay, again we have 3 here. So 3 7s are 21, 2 3 8s are 24, 25 26, 2 3 1s are 3 4 5, 3 7s are 21, 2 3 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3 4 5 by 14 minus 84. Okay, so let's solve this. 14 5 1 5 6, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s 42. Okay, so 14 3s are 42 here, and then it is 95. 14 table 95. Let's check. 14 5s 14 6, 6 4 24, 2 4 1 4, 606 78. Okay, this is better. 14 6 84, and then 16, 14 1 14, we'll get around 20, again 14.1. So roughly I can say this value is 361.1 minus 84. Okay, so 361.1 minus 84, if I do and get here 361.1 minus 84, 1, and this becomes 11, so 7, 6 minus 1 becomes 5, it will be 28. So the final answer is 287.1 centimeter square. I know the calculation is little lengthy, but if they haven't mentioned in the question, better to take it as pi as 3.14 and then solve this question. Okay, so somewhere if it is around 280 something, I think they will give you the full marks. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay. In this question, O is the center of circle whose diameter is D, AB is 13, AB is 13, okay, AC is 12, BC is joined. Okay, find the area of shaded region. So this is easy question. So simply the shaded region, okay, draw it in bigger circle. This is center with this diameter A and B. This is O. This we have C and D here. Okay, this is a shaded part. Again shaded part I will take into another color. Okay, this is a shaded part they are asking. So simply if I subtract, okay, I will write it here, area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Okay, simple. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So let's see if them, okay, here they clearly mentioned pi is 3.14. Okay, let's take the same. So pi is 3.14 into semicircle, the pi by 2 into r square. Radius is how much? Okay, here AB is the diameter, so radius will be AB by 2, which is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 into 13 by 2, this is area of semicircle minus area of triangle. If you notice, this is nothing but the right angle triangle. Okay, so this is right angle here. So this is 13, this is 12. So simply the base will be 7. If you remember, I will just cross check. 13 square is equal to 12 square plus x square. 13 square is 169 is equal to 144 plus x square. So 169 minus 144 is 25. 25 is equal to x square. So this will be 5. Okay, BC we got as 5. So okay, this is not equal to. So area of semicircle minus area of triangle. This is right angle triangle. So simply half into base and height will do it. Half into base is, we got it as 5, and height is AC. AC value is 12. So this is nothing but area of shaded region. Okay, let's solve it again. Okay, 2 1s to 6. and here there is no division. Fine. So 2 ones are 2 31, so 2 5s and then 7, it is 6.5 6.5. Okay, so overall the final answer will be 1.57 into 6.5 whole square minus 6 5s are 30. Okay, let's solve this. 6.5 square into 1.57. First solve 6.5 square. 5 5 is 25, 2 5 is 30, 32, 6 5 is 33, 6 6 is 36, 39. So 5 2 4, it is 42.25. This I need to multiply into 1.57. 5 7 is 35, 3 5 7 2 is 14, 17, 7 2 is 14, 15, 7 4 is 28, 29. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 2 is 10, 11, 12, 5 2 is 10, 11, 5 4 is 20, 21. Then 5 2 2 4. So we finally 7 12, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 10 11, 12 13, 3 4 5 6, then here 6. Total decimals 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So fine, I can round off to 66.33. 66.33 minus 30. So the final shaded part, I can say it is 36.33 centimeters square. Okay, so just continue in the same way. Just wherever the decimals is there, just make sure you're doing properly calculations, and then you can get the final answer. Okay, it is lengthy, but as I mentioned, the calculation is very important to get the final answer properly. And if they clearly mention in the question, you have to use 3.14, then use 3.14. If they're not mentioned, you can use for 22/7. Okay. I'm just checking whether the connection is everything is proper or not. Okay, seems to be some buffering is happening. Okay, let's see how many questions are done and how many are left. Okay, we have only one more question. I'm just checking in my phone whether I'm able to see properly or not. Just 2 minutes, guys. Okay, seems to be some buffering is happening. Okay, fine. We'll do one thing. I will stop it here. Okay, and I will prepare another video where I will keep the question of the next one. I mean, I have scheduled for one more question. This is the last one which I want to explain. So this question I will prepare another video and keep it as a live video. I mean, long video part. Okay, so if you have any doubts with respect to this, you can check this video later, and if you have any questions, I'll do one thing. I'll not keep it as live. I'll do the recording session which I have recording, that I will keep it as a long video. Okay, you can check there and check it. Okay, fine. So I'm stopping this live session, but as I mentioned, I will keep this long video in the long